Hi, yesterday I had an interview. It was a hacker rank algorithm, and guess what? I failed. So yeah, it sometimes happens that you fail. I will not get into details why I fail. And by the way, it was not because it's difficult. I have taken other interviews and other algorithms, and they were much far more difficult than that, and I passed it. Uh, but I think it's because I just don't care. Like I have already worked, and I did not have the motivation. I mean, to take the exam and pass it. But here is the takeaway. So, how many interviews I should do before I land a job? If you ask me, I'll tell you around 100. So you have to make around 100 interview to pass in one interview. This is a very low percentage, yes. And actually, to land a job, you have to raise your opportunities. How do you raise your opportunities to have interviews? Uh, that's a good question. So, to raise your opportunities to have interviews, right now there is, I think it's a formula, or this is what I do, and I can say it's a formula. So, first, you have to care about your social media. Add as much details as possible in your social media so that the interviewers or recruiters, sorry, they know you. They can reach you first and they can know you. Okay. So if they are searching, they can reach you. If you are applying, they can know you. So you have to add a lot of details about yourself. That's one thing. The other thing is add a lot of profile everywhere you can find the job. So you have to add your profile in almost all the job hunting websites, yeah, so that you raise your chances to succeed. Another thing, it's good to showcase. It's good to have example that you can work and you can deliver. For software engineers like us, GitHub is the best place you can push a code which is working. You showcase your work, okay? And of course, you add those work to your profile as well, or GitHub link to your profile so people can see it. Yeah, this is one other important thing. In the past, when I started this career, it was nice to have, but I think now it's a must because the competition become very high. So it's a must to have a GitHub and push your code, showcase your work. It's a must to have your LinkedIn profile or your social media profile, have a lot of details about you. And then it's a must you start to have multiple profiles on job hunting website, sorry, so that you attract the recruiters to interview you. Yeah, and the last thing, when you are in the interview, like if you successfully have interviewed, take a feedback and see what is the market need, what do the people ask about, what frameworks they use. Ask in the interview, what frameworks do you use, what are you looking for, and collect this feedback and start to work to improve your interview skills, and collect the for example the questions you did not know or you did not answer well, and look for the answer. Look for interview questions for the technology or the job you are targeting. Take courses about the technology you are using. Take it again. If you already know it, take another course to strengthen your knowledge. Okay, you have to work on it very hard so that you can land the job. Nowadays, the competition is very high, so it required a bit more effort. Yeah. So I think those are the main points, which what I personally do. Maybe if you have a shortcut, you let me know. But but I think it's need maybe 2-3 months of effort before you can start to have interviews, and then it will take maybe another 1 month, 2 months before you can land a job. Thank you.